guys, it's time for another video, and today it's all about football season. Who dat? If you know, you know. So today I'm going to be doing a pork butt in the crock pot with some delicious root beer. I'm going to season this bad boy up. It's all about set it and forget it, and let's get ready for football season. Enjoy this one, folks.
So the first thing we're going to do is start with our seasoning. I got some Jack Daniel's honey that I love to use. Also got some Montreal Grill Master seasoning, and then some smoked paprika. And I'm gonna add some other things to the pork butt, but I'm also gonna save some of this residual seasoning to add a little bit later. So I got this beautiful pork butt that I had the butcher go ahead and truss. And then what I'm gonna do is get that lathered up with some mustard as a binder. And then I'm gonna get all of that delicious seasoning all over this bad boy. And I'm gonna let it rest for about 6 hours. You can do it overnight, of course, it's gonna be even better. But I wanna make sure I let it rest before we get it into the crock pot. While the pork is marinating, now will be a good time to hit the like button. Now that the pork butt has been resting, I'm gonna get some molasses put over top. I'm also gonna get a little bit of that What's That Deer sauce. You guys know I gotta add some of that What's That Deer sauce. And also some delicious root beer. And the more the better. Don't even skimp. For a little bit of extra flavor and some of that smoke flavor, I'm gonna add some liquid smoke. Obviously, if I was putting this on a smoker, I wouldn't have to add it. You wanna get it into your crock pot and let that cook for about 8 to 12 hours. Now I'm gonna make a quick little coleslaw. I just got the pre-mixed and I added some mayonnaise in the bowl with the mix. Also added in some apple cider vinegar, some salt and pepper. And you wanna do this to what your preferred texture is. If you wanted a little bit more mayonnaise, add some more mayonnaise. There's nothing wrong with that. So once we get that done, I'm gonna get it put aside. After about 6 hours, I just had to go in and take a little bite because I'm telling y'all, the smell in the house, it was ridiculous. And I put it back. After another 4 hours, it was ready to go. I removed all the rope which was holding it all together. I mean, this bad boy completely fell apart. And then I'm gonna make a delicious sandwich. As you can see, I did add some of that seasoning on top of it. And then I'm not getting rid of that liquid. That liquid is gonna go on top of this pulled pork. And that's gonna keep the pulled pork very moist. I'm telling you, this was absolutely delicious. The smells, they were going crazy. Added some provolone cheese to this bad boy and then covered it up. You gotta get that melty cheese. Come on, man, look at that. You wanna throw that coleslaw on the sandwich, top it off with that beautiful pulled pork and that cheese. And then you wanna pair this with your favorite, either French fries or tater tots. I chose tater tots. Nothing more to say. Absolutely delicious. Thank you again for watching.
All right, guys, we gotta taste this one. So, as you know, pulled pork is incredibly messy. But I mean, look at that. I don't care if I'm getting it on my fingers. I did take a big bite. Everything works perfect. Easy in the crock pot. It's football season. Again, like I said earlier, who dat? And it's gonna be on to the next one.